good. Alright, people, welcome again to MG Sports TV. Halftime here, Guatemala 1, Jamaica 1. Jamaica 1, Guatemala 1. The Reggae Girlz definitely start off a bit slow, but certainly I think they're getting into the game. For me personally, I think it's a good game so far. The Guatemala team kind of short in stature, but they're quite technical. We have more physicality, still trying to play the ball around, which is nice to see. The last 10 minutes of the game we have been a bit more dominant. But don't know if I don't really want to hear from me. I bring some people so I can hear about them. Alright, first of all we have Shab. Come in, Shab. Shab, what do you think about the game so far? What's the start of the game so far?
Positive game so far. We started off, as the English said, we started off pretty slowly, gave up a soft goal. But we bounced back. We never dropped our heads. We came back and we scored, and we could have scored more as well.
The goal you can see, I think you keep up and a little bit. Why do you think that's problem?
I think the height.
Goalkeeper perfect. We know you're shot, but you're one of the former goalkeeper.
Yeah, man, the greatest goalkeeper ever living us, so you see me so. But yeah, I think the height. You can see the height made a major factor with the goal. She stretched, but the stretch with the power wasn't there, so the ball still ended up in the back of the net. But again, I'm not looking at the negatives, looking at the positives. We came back even after the goal scored. We didn't drop our heads. We still played. We showed that we wanted the goal, and we got the goal.
All right, well done. So you have to come in now, Eddie go now. People, the man are big and everything. The man are famous to the man. The man are famous to Fred.
Eddie, just a small YouTuber, man. Bigger.
Eddie, so people you see that desperate. So you see people on YouTube, them shot, you say shot. And you see him both almost about 4 inches. And sit that.
Not do that.
What you thoughts for the first half of the game so far?
Well, not a bad showing from the young girls. I'm really impressed. I didn't get to see them in Panama. Not a bad result down in Panama. To see them live now, I like what I see so far. Energetic. We're creating chances. That's a plus for us. You know. As I said earlier, we bounced back from going down 1 goal.
Yeah, important.
And, and we look better going forward. And we expect to see some goals in the second half.
Yeah, man. Where quality is concerned, you're surprised that they were this talented?
Well, yes and no. Yes and no. We know some of the girls already, and this team is pretty much a college side. And, they have the experience. Some of them had played in the youth sector. So there's some amount of quality. There are others that I don't know much about. But overall, quality. I think the quality is there.
All right, let's go for look and get something that they can have. Go. Kimo, come on. People want to have a big cameraman, you don't know, say, JD finest. JD finest. Yeah. Kimo, you know, say, you got to be, first of all, you got to be. You enjoy yourself so far?
Yeah, man, I enjoy myself, enjoy the experience and everything, you know?
So the girls them start off a bit shaky, you know, still consider early goal. But we still come back with, you know really see that still from Jamaica teams.
Yeah.
In recent times, so I think the mentally shift now where we start go down in games and come back. You feel like we get something out of it?
I mean, yeah, we started the game a bit shaky, but I mean, after the first goal, you know, the high prospect, you know, but after we got that goal, we ended up gaining a lot more of the possession. I mean, going into the dressing room now, I know most of the players will be full of confidence and coming out of high spirited, knowing it's a home game where they have the crowd behind the back.
Yeah, certainly. Not a full stadium today, and I really want to say it. What is your thoughts on that? Because you know the online, there's so much support online, but when you come on to match, we're not seeing that.
It's a bad thing. I mean, I don't know, the JFF have to go and do something about that, you know, to galvanize the nation, to come out and support the girls, you know, around the world. Girls football is not really, not saying it's not really supported, but I mean, work can be done to get the people out, you know, maybe to bring the vibes around, incorporate that with the football. Just the same for the male. So maybe it's a bit better for the male for the likes of, you know, Leah and Bailey and Demar.
The name can bring more people.
The names. But yeah, we don't have much names, but we have quality with these young girls. I mean, so we're looking forward to a better second half.
Alright, better person here. We go. People, you are going to know people. As I say, I'm pretty disappointed as you can see crowd. Small. Really small. But at the end of the day, football is coming from. So we enjoy ourselves. Vibes is right same way. The bands are build the vibes. Nice little vibes. We enjoy ourselves. Just so you go. When we can't turn out, people, I advise them turn out. Good first half, I would say. Guatemala 1, Jamaica 1, Reggae Girlz 1, Guatemala 1. Big up on yourself, people. Boom.